Previous waves of mobile connectivity made a huge difference in how we were able to communicate with each other day to day. We went from having only fixed landlines to having big clunky mobile phones. And then we made the switch to your phone not just being for voice communication, but a data device. And now with 5G, we're going to move into a mode where video connectivity and other kinds of connectivity that are very high data bandwidth can become part of the normal things we do with our mobile devices. What is 5G? It's basically a collection of technologies about taking our mobile networking to the next level. So this includes faster, much shorter connection time for you to get going, and higher device density.
The ventures that we work with on a day-to-day basis have the opportunity to use a pre-commercial 5G wireless testbed that's established as part of the Encore 5G initiative. And whether it's a drone, whether it's a sensor, whether it's a video streaming application, we've essentially eliminated all the barriers for the ventures to tap into the 5G network. It's been very exciting to watch these ventures build new products and services because a lot of the capabilities that they're experimenting with will ultimately define future markets in industries. So one of the ventures that we're working with is Virtual Systems, and they have essentially created middleware technology that works in any environment with any device, assuring total data communication integrity.
With increasing interconnectedness and dependence on edge computing that opens up with 5G, it also opens up the door to all kinds of vulnerabilities that can threaten businesses, governments, and consumers. Our proprietary protocol, the way that we store and distribute the data, is structured in such a way that essentially we give them 100% assurance that data transferred over the network will be received exactly as it was sent.
We also have Iris R&D Group, which uses artificial intelligence and deep learning algorithms to monitor road networks for transportation and municipal operations.
We have developed a novel and intelligent dashcam that can detect and report road defects using AI. So the dashcam takes videos of roads, the videos get uploaded to the cloud with GPS data, and our AI automatically detects and reports road defects to the city, faster and cheaper than the manual process used today. Our technology relies on transferring data in real time to our secure servers, and due to such limitations, transferring important real-time ground data doesn't seem technically feasible. This is where 5G technology will play a vital role for us to experiment with bandwidth, latency, and data transfer.
We also have Tiny Mile, which is the creator of a robot called Jeffrey that enables no contact on-demand delivery for retailers as well as food restaurateurs. The machine can carry up to 6 pounds in its trunk and travels at a maximum speed of 6 kilometers per hour. And this is perfect for things like food delivery and sidewalk while ensuring safety at the same time.
Tiny Mile builds software so that one pilot can drive multiple robots. That requires a constant communication between our robots and the pilot. And to do that, you need really low latency, you need the high bandwidth. And that's something that simply cannot be done with 4G.
And finally, we have Cyberworks Robotics, which transforms manually operated equipment into self-driving technology. The company's AI innovations can be applied to anything from personal mobility devices all the way through to industrial floor cleaners.
So presently, all of our computing, which is very intensive to get this self-driving technology to work, is done using computers on the vehicles themselves. 5G will allow us to use cloud computing, meaning we can eliminate those expensive computers that are on these vehicles and provide this technology at far lower cost. This will allow our technology to work in increasingly complex and sophisticated environments by providing greater and greater levels of artificial intelligence processing that's only capable in cloud.
And it's very important for our ventures to get ahead of the curve and access this brand new technology so they can understand the network architecture and incorporate these designs into their products so then they future-proof their services for their respective industries. It provides an opportunity for innovators across various sectors to build new services that are really going to improve the lives of human beings. This can be from a healthcare perspective. This can be from an agriculture perspective. And a lot of our world's most pressing issues will really be enabled by solutions that are driven by 5G wireless technology.